If you are a freelancer looking for a payment method that will help you withdraw your money, pay some of your workers, or do any transaction worldwide, then PayPal is your to-go platform. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal account, or rather explain how you can create a PayPal account in just 2 minutes. You visit the PayPal website. That is the first step. Go to PayPal website, that is www.paypal.com. Click on the sign up button. Then there will come 2 choices. You choose between a business account and a personal account. So for freelancers, it's advisable to choose a personal account. After that, provide the personal information required. That is the name, email address, password, contact, and all the information needed. And then the next step, verify your email. So go to your email inbox and check for an email from PayPal that says verify your email or confirm your email. Once you have confirmed your email, your PayPal is ready for use. Now, you will be prompted to link a payment method. That could be a bank account, a debit card, or a credit card. That is to ease your withdrawal means. And if you are a Kenyan, you can link M-Pesa. That is not provided on that website. That is a different website. So once you have linked your bank, or after you have linked your debit card or credit card, you're done. You can complete identity verification if it's going to be available, and then agree to terms and conditions, and you're set. Start using your PayPal account. So in 2 minutes or less than 2 minutes, you're done and your account is up and running.